You can't manifest something into your life until you can feel it. But how do you feel it if you can't see it yet? I'll show you the exact step-by-step process for developing Neville Goddard's most famous technique. This video is a continuation of Neville Goddard's process. In the previous video, I showed you the first 4 steps. Check out the link above. These first steps will get you started and help you become more comfortable using your imagination to start manifesting. In this video, you will learn steps 5 to 8. Let's get started. Step 5. Choose a time from your past and a person from that time that you enjoyed interacting with. It doesn't matter who it is, but you must be able to vividly recall what you would have seen, heard, and felt during those interactions. I want you to get comfortable. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Imagine you are in your chosen place from your past. In your mind's eye, see where you were. What do you see, hear, smell, and feel? Spend a minute to vividly re-experience what it was like to be there. When you are ready, imagine that your chosen person either comes to you or calls you, and you communicate with this person. You don't have to recall an exact conversation, but talk about what you used to talk about with this person. Run this conversation in your head for a minute or two. Imagine it as vividly as possible and experience it intensely. How does it make you feel? Capture that feeling. Great, you're done. Repeat this process 2 or more times a day for 1 or 2 weeks. Replay the same place in person each time. Up to now, all of your practice sessions with developing inner momentum have focused on the present and the past. So we'll turn to the next dimension, the future. Before we start step 6, you will need a clearly defined goal. What do you want in your life? With your goal in mind, think about a place you are likely to be in the future once your goal has been achieved. Step 6. It's all right if you think you will still be in the same physical place you are currently in. But the most important thing is that you need to clearly see what life would be like once your goal has been achieved. What would you see, hear, smell, and do from this future place? Who would you interact with? Run this through your mind a few times. Get clear on all the details. Imagine conversations and doing tasks. Create a mental movie aimed at showing your new experience vividly. Again, just like the previous steps, practice daily for at least twice a day for 1 to 2 weeks. Now, this is probably starting to make sense to you. You have learned how to use your imagination to create momentum to create the experience of having the wish fulfilled. One of Neville Goddard's key teachings. Let's go deeper to harness all its power. Step 7. In Step 7, you're going to relive mentally the same experiences you had in Step 6, but now you're going to focus on your mood. What mood do you feel when you experience your wish fulfilled? Get clear, get detailed about it, dwell in it. This is the key to everything going forward. Really focus to experience this mood as intensely and vividly as possible. Again, practice this step for 1 or 2 weeks until you get good at it. But before we go any further, I need you to hit the subscription button because you want to maximize the benefits of using Neville Goddard's techniques. I literally upload practical videos every week that will be a game changer for you. Just to let you know, we're going to do step 8, then I'll reveal my bonus tip. Apply the bonus tip, you will exponentially increase your powers of manifestation. At this point, it should be a no-brainer to create inner momentum by experiencing in your mind your wish fulfilled. So now you want to practice recalling the feeling or mood you have when your wish is fulfilled. Recall it a few times throughout the day. You don't need to close your eyes, get comfortable, or take deep breaths. Do it in your daily life when you have a few minutes or when doing a simple task that doesn't require much attention, like brushing your teeth, washing the dishes, ironing, or gardening. Each time, dwell on this feeling as intensely as you can. Bonus tip. When is the best time of the day to practice step 8? Right before you fall asleep. At this time, we can bypass the conscious mind and speak directly to the subconscious mind. Great. You now know the 8 steps. But there is more. In the next video, I'm sharing with you some important techniques to implement with these steps to empower your abilities. Don't miss them.